Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm just gonna show you a little video about how I've been using Chat GPT to help me like write descriptions for my YouTube videos, how to get really good tags for my videos, and essentially I have this vidIQ that gives me a bunch of stats on um, like how actionable the search engine score is. So we are going to try to use ChatGPT in this situation to at least get a 40 out of 50. So if you want to see how I made the video that I'm uploading, links are going to be in the description right here once everything is uploaded. So you can kind of see the workflow that I went through to get there, to get to this point in using or in trying to use ChatGPT to create um, descriptions, tags, um, etc. So we have ChatGPT open right here, and it's just like, oh, I am trying to optimize my YouTube video tags and descriptions for a bird watching video. Can you create some tags and a description that will get me lots of views? And it just instantly tags. These are some really good tags if you're interested in bird watching. And then you can pretty much just copy this exact thing and paste it into the description, which is what I'm going to do once it's done generating. Here's an example of a complete description. So it gave me the start. Um, like it was like, here's where you could start, but here's also like a complete version of it. So let's just go take these tags. And you know what? Let's say, because you post them into right here. Let's say the tags aren't in the formatting that you want. You make the tags in one sentence and separated by comments. Don't know how to spell separated, but we got Google correct for that. Perfect. Now we should be able to just copy this. Is it all of it? No. So we can say looks like you missed a few tags mentioned earlier. Can you correct? There we go. So now it has all of them. We'll just come over here and we can paste it right in, and boom. And our score is already at 19.8, which is really good. But what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to reuse details from my previous. Don't need the tag, short sampling category. We're going to keep all of that the same. And we're going to get rid of this top part. We're going to come back here. And then we're just going to copy this. But this is why you have to be careful because lush forests, serene wetlands, all of that is true for bird watching, but it's not necessarily true for the video we're watching. So let's say the video is a time lapse of common small birds in California. Can you rewrite the description to be SEO optimized for those let's say for that new information. Oh my gosh, how do I type? I don't know. So there we go. And let's see. Filmed with state-of-the-art equipment. It's the DJI Pocket 2. And you know what? Let's just copy this whole thing and see how well the the vidIQ does with the description once it updates. 32.2. That's not bad. We'll come in here and these are other suggestions, so we can take these. We'll copy that, and we'll also put it in our tags because we still need a ton of tags. Ooh, we'll get rid of that. And now, see, we're already at 46.2. Like we've already beat what we were like actually trying to accomplish, which was hit 40 out of 50. And that took how long has this been going? Not even that long. But the only other thing is I like to have it work backwards through tags, description, and then the title, because we can come back over here and then I can ask it, can you make a YouTube SEO optimized title given all of the information you have on this project? Let's go see if there's actually Western Tangier in the picture. No, that is not in there. I don't think we have the Finch in here. Yeah, we don't. We had like pigeons. So I think we can small birds time lapse. I think this will actually do just fine. Small birds. That's right, California. California, small birds. Let's see if that increases it. 46.2. I think it's still fine. We're still beating what we typically get. So the only thing that I'm going to do now is I am going to go back, open up Premiere. This is the original video, so I'm going to find a good picture of one of the birds. We're just going to go frame by frame real quick. I think maybe at the beginning we got a good. See if we can find a part where he kind of turns around. Oh, that's a good one. So we'll come back. We got the sun in its eye. Where the mouse open the most. And this is what I like to do. I'm just going to go into snipping tool. Go to new. We're just going to snip this. Then we're going to save it. We're going to go to pictures. And we're going to do bird watching. Bird watching thumbnail. We're going to save it. Minimize. And we're going to come over here to Canva. That was just me logging in. But now we're going to create a blank one. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to find our pictures. And we're going to find the picture of the bird, and we're just going to drag and drop it. And we're going to increase. Yes, we'll accept all of your cookies. And then we'll come over here to elements. We'll do bird watching. We'll see if there's any like cool bird watching. A lot of watches, a lot of. Okay, so I think we'll just come over here to text, and we're gonna go back to my YouTube channel for a second because we want to make sure that we're using the same colors that my previous videos have been using. So we're mainly just using yellows, right? So pretty sure the yellows that we were using were these exact yellows. So I don't like this bottom one, but I do like this top one. So we'll do bird. Whoa. We're gonna have to do bird watching, but we're gonna have to make this a lot smaller. And then for some reason I like the Sunday bird watching part because it is Sunday. So we'll do Sunday bird watching. We'll come over here to effects. And I like the outline black. Yeah. And then shadow. I like the shadow. Can we not? You can't do both in Canva. Apparently. So we're just going to do the outline. We're going to make it black. We can make this. I think we can just say do that. And we'll do share. We'll download the PNG. Yes. And then we will pictures. We'll come over here and we'll just replace the previous one. And then we will come back to here and we will update thumbnail. We'll go back to pictures. We will click our Sunday bird watching thumbnail. 46.2. That's pretty good. We were at 42.2. I believe. California. I think we can come up with the title. No title drops it significantly. So let's do something. Let's just do Sunday bird watching in California. I can't spell California apparently. Sunday bird watching in California. Sunday bird watching. Then we have, everything. Ooh. Let's take that out because those were keywords. That reminded me. We got to do keywords. Can you give me keywords for this project? I can and we're just going to add these to the bottom, and it should increase. Then we'll do that so if people do watch it, So yeah, perfect. We have no issues found. Definitely need to add our end screen. Yeah, so we'll just do. You can do one of these, and one of these. We'll do our two big reviews, and let's drag these all the way to the back. There we go. Save. Add subtitle visibility. And we'll go ahead and just make this public right now. We're not going to schedule it. We're just gonna publish it. And there you go. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to help you create descriptions, tags, um, like help you do search engine optimization on your video, which I think is pretty cool. So instead of me having to sit here and type all of that out, I was able just to put it into ChatGPT and copy and paste it into the YouTube video. And this is what the final video looks like. And we get, all of these comments right here. And then we can actually have, let's go back to ChatGPT real quick. You made a comment on this video acting as the poster. Let's see if it will give us something to put on the top. Thanks for watching. Blah, 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 blah. Thanks for watching. Beautiful these common birds. We'll just do it up to here because we don't actually have these in there. So we'll come over here. Thanks for watching. Blah, 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 blah. We hope this video inspired. Has to offer. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, leave a like. Let us know which birds are your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And since technically my channel isn't going to be all about bird watching, I'm going to leave for for more amazing bird watching content. Actually, you know what? Let's keep that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to separate this a little bit. Because we want people to spend more time. We'll comment that and we will pin it. Pin the comment. We'll do both of those. I don't know if that's actually going to help or not, but as we can see, the SE score is 61 out of 100. It's not bad, but our actionable score is 46. So our tag count's good. Tag volume is a little low. Ranked tags, high volume ranked tags, and then the vidIQ also gives you, things to do better. But the main part of this video was I just wanted to show you guys what you could actually use with ChatGPT to help you create your YouTube content. I hope that it was helpful and informative. If you guys don't mind, if you enjoyed the video, click that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot. Help me push this out to the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.